Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. How are you? I hope my all friends are good. Allah bless you and always be happy. So friends, in this video I am providing gorgeous and trendy crochet ideas. So please viewers, don't skip the video. Watch the video start to last. These designs are so stunning and unique. I hope you all love these unique ideas. Please viewers, share the video with your friends and family who want crochet ideas. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different colors. In this video, you will see different colors and different decent and unique designs of crochet article. Thank you friends for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass crochet collection, it's an amazing collection for them. You can design your dresses with using these ideas. You can see more beautiful and unique crochet designs from my channel. Crochet articles are very famous all over the world. Crochet articles represent our personality. Mostly women like the crochet articles. All these articles are handmade. These articles washable and durable. If you all love this article and if you want more crochet designs ideas, so please viewers, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. All these articles are very attractive for women. Be connected with me and remember me in your prayer. See you soon. Take care. Allah Hafiz.